Okay, just a short update. There'll be more updates coming in the next couple of weeks because I'm going to have some time off, but let's turn the camera around. I've started building the baffles for the additional four 18-inch Ultimaxes that will go in the attic. There'll be two on each side of the theater near the back. The other 8 that are up there now are toward the front, kind of in the center. But anyway, I've got parts cut to build that. There's some more of them over here. So I'll be assembling those hopefully when I get back on the next trip, which will be 2 weeks from now. And the next part of the update, I've started building or cutting the parts at least for the rear speakers. They're going to be inverted ground plane CBTs. So basically ceiling plane CBT, I guess. So if you imagine that that's the ceiling. Actually, let me do something. Okay, imagine the floor is the ceiling. Well, let me turn it upside down. It still looks right side up here. But if it looks upside down, that'll give you a better idea. So the floor would be the ceiling and so on. So anyway, that's what the rear speakers are going to look like. And front panels, they'll be the same drivers that I'm using in the side speakers, which is the little Peerless mid-bass driver and the GRS planar tweeter. So anyway, that's about all. I've got happening packed for this trip. I'm flying out tomorrow, and I'll be back in 2 weeks. After that, I'm going to be having a foot surgery, and I don't think it will be too debilitating during the recovery, so I think I should be able to get a lot of work done, because the doctor says I'll have 4 to 6 weeks off of work, so that should be enough time to get a lot done. So that's it for this short update.